Hey, hi, this is Arvind. I am going to discuss about ICP5. Here I am I am installing PY Spark here. Uh, from future, I am importing print function. From PY Spark, I am importing conf, Spark context, and I am importing this hashing TF, IDF, tokenizers, and Sparks session ngram, O2. Uh, After this, here I am creating Spark session. Here I am creating the data frame with input data. You can also read the data from file. Okay. Here I am going to create token and words from sentence data. Mm, in this I am showing the words data. After this, applying TF on the words data, uh, and here I am going to calculate the IDF, and this is displaying the result here. Here I am going to create data frame of input, and here I am going to create ngram with n equals to 2, and I am going to displaying the result here. After this, I am creating the sparse session. Here I am going to here I am going to give input data. Each row is a big word from the sentence or document. Here learn a mapping from words to vectors. Here I am showing this is showing the result from rows. In this here they are showing about synonyms and cosines. Here closing the sparse session. Here we are going to create text files, five separate text files. Find out the top 10 TF IDF words for the above input. Here is the top 10 TF IDF words code here, and this is the output. And B, find out the top 10 TF IDF words for the lemmatized input. Here is the code, and this is the result. And C is find out the top 10 TF IDF words for the ngram based input, and here is the code. And this is the result of C, level and general. And this is the second one. Write a sample Spark program to read a data set and find the W2V similar words. And here is the code, and here I am importing the print functions, so Spark context, and here I am importing hashing TF, IDF, tokenizers, and ngrams word O2vec. And this is the document data, and this is the result. Here I am going to try without NLP, and this is the code, and this is the result of without NLP. Try with the immunization. Here is the code. Creating Spark session here, and creating token words and tokens and words from the sentence data here, and this is the result. mm, Applying if tf on the word data here, and this is the result. Try with n-grams here, and this is the result of code. And I'm going to save a copy in GitHub. Okay, it's going to, yeah, here is the output of my ICP5. Thank you.